Good afternoon, students, and Jai Hind. We are studying about the regarding the uh, Mughal system and the Mughal code. Understand? Now, students, in this half yearly examination, understand the one questions of the having the question or the map related question will be asked and to you, understand, and bearing the 5 marks, understand. So now you have to identify the places, understand. Now the places will be the given, understand. Places will be the given on the outline map of the India, political map of the India. The places will be the indicated and the pointed and written there. Beside written the one, again other place will be the pointed, and then will be the written the two, or then other site and the other place will be the pointed, and then written 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 places. 5 marks PS na. The 5 places will be the given. Very simple, understand. Or now students, one thing is that what will be the nature of the question. In the 5 set will be the given, side 5 place will be the given, or at the bottom of that your question, at the bottom of that map, understand, there will be the A, B, C, D, understand. In the A, come to the A having the will be the written 1 and the place name. At the one point which place is there, that will be the written. At the point 2, which place will be the which place is there, you have to be the identify. We have to match 3, 4, 5, understand. So A, that will be the, suppose that A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, and at the one, that places will be the written wrong or right. So you have to be the identify the at the point 1, understand, which place is that, whether this place is written here correctly or not, written in set correctly or not. So 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, 5 set I will give you, 4 set, and each set, understand, among these 4 set, 1 set will be the correct, and the rest of set, suppose set C is correct, so set A, B or D, that will be the wrongly matched. But you have to be the determined, you have to be the identify the place here at the place 1, whether here at the written 1 place and name it is the correct or not. At the place 2 written here, point here, so you have to recognize the place 2, and here written the place 2 is right or not written, name of the place 2 is written rightly or not, place 3 is written rightly or not. If the any set, you will find that okay, after identifying these places, you will find that now this set is correctly written or correctly, and if you correctly identify, so then you can now pick the A. If A is correct, B is correct, C is correct, D is correct, you have to be the recognized, and you have to be the match. The A is given here number, the B is whether the A, at the A name will be the given, understand. Now students, for example, take the example of here. I suppose you are looking here, understand, here is the 1 A, understand, 1 is written here, Identify this. 1 is written, 2 is written, I suppose. 1 is written, 2 is written, 3 is written. Can you identify this? 1 is, 2 is, 1 is which place? 2 is which place? 3 is which place? 4 is which place? 5 is which place? So first of all, try to identify your just 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Understand? I have given you the examples these places. Do you understand? Identify these places. Place 1. Understand? Which place is that? Can you identify? Suppose Harappa. Understand? Or point 2 is which place is that? Banwali. Point 3. Anybody? Kalibangan. Point 4. That is extreme where? Extreme west. Point 4. Recently, surgical strike happened there. Balakot. Point 5. In which state this is situated? This is the which place? This is Rakhigadi. Point 6. 6. Point 6 in Gujarat. Which place is that? This is in North Gujarat. Point 6. Identify. Point 6. Dholavira. Do you understand? Point 7. Which place is that? In Gujarat, extreme west. Nageshwar. Point 8. Point 8. Even in Gujarat. Yes. This is a dockyard had been found there. Which place is this? Lothal. Point 9. Yes. Point 9. Which Harappan site is this? This is the one of the prominent Mohenjo-daro. Point 10. Point 10. Which place is that? Chanudaro. Point 11. Point 11. Port Diji. Port Diji. Point 11. Now, students, I suppose that you will have to understand, identify the in this way the 4 question, 4 of the objectives, 4 option will be the given: A, B, C, and D. Understand? One for one, a site's name will be written here. For one dash site name, 2 dash site name, 3 dash site name, 4 dash site name, 5 dash site name. Now A, B, C, D. Okay, one set is correct, and correctly site name, number and site name have been written very correctly. So you will have to now recognize which site is at the what places. Which site is correctly, which number and site is correctly matched and given. You have to identify these places and their situation or their situation. You have to identify only. Understand? Because the location can't be the given here. Location questions is also asked in the board, but that can't be the, because that location you will have to name of the place will be the given. You will have to be the point by written. You have to be the point and write the name of the place. Understand? But this is not possible. But identification is possible through this examination method, online method. So that's why you will recognize these all the Harappan sites first. Understand where these Harappan sites are situated, and since the 3 question or the 3 number of the question are from the Harappan sites, and 2 question or the mark and the numbers are from the medieval. Now you have to be the understand where is the Bijapur, where is Golconda, where is Vijayanagar, understand, where is Sanchi, where is Suktagendo, where is, okay, these all ancient sites. You have to be the, where is Sravasti, understand, where is Agra for the medieval period, where is Agra, where is Panipat, understand, these all will be the indicated through this, understand. The students, I suppose that you will easily understand the set and match the set with the number given here, pointed here, points with the number, understand. Or then after you shall write the names. You shall now recognize the A, B, C, D, which set is correctly matched here. Do you understand? So this will be the, now further we shall more for your practice. I am trying my best for the next practice here. Now you can understand here. Can understand? You are looking here. I suppose that. Okay. You can look there. First given many number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 number is the given. Understand? Having the given now. Okay, you can understand. You see now the first identify the first point. Which place is that? This is in Bihar. First try to recognize the state or the province. Then after its location, that is in Bihar. One point is in Bihar. The place is Bajji. Point 2 is also in Bihar. Point 2 also indicate the Bihar. Understand? Point 2 also indicate the Bihar. Do you understand? Point 2 also indicate the Bihar. And now place is the Magadh. Point 3 Now indicate the Uttar Pradesh. Now the place is Koshal. Point 4 is also in Uttar Pradesh. Place is Kuru. Point 5 is also there. Kuru. Point 5 is which? Panchala. And point 6 is very northwest frontiers. You can see that. Point 6, which place is there? Point 6, the Gandhar. Point 7, which place is that? Point 7, which place is that? Point 7, anybody? Yes, this is the which place? Avanti. In 16 Mahajanpad, you can understand. In 16 Mahajanpad, you can see in the map. Point 8, this is also in Bihar. Which place is that? This place is Rajgir. Point 9, this is in MP, Ujjain. Point 10, northwest frontiers at the top. Yes, this is at the top here. Yes, yeah. Which place is this? This is Takshila, a great university in ancient time. Now the 11, place 11, that is the very well recognizable to you. Varanasi, where you are living. This place 11 is pointed Varanasi. Understand? So now students, this kind of number point with number will be the given, and you will have to be the recognize these places, and you must now here next we have to be the discuss here other states, many other states also. Another political map I am providing you, and to the yes, the places major Buddhist sites. Buddhist site I am the now providing you here. You can see the major Buddhist sites. Understand? You can see the major Buddhist sites. Okay, the first one site, which is the this is the associated with the Buddhism, site 1. This site is associated with the Buddhism. Which place is this? Which place is this? Yes, 1. Which place is this? This is the associated with, this is the Nagarjun Konda. Place 2, very important. Place 2, which is in the MP, Shanchi. You know very well. You can identify very well. Now the 3 is the Amravati. And next come to the 4. Identify the 4. Place 4. Place 4. Where the Lord Buddha born. Where the Lord Buddha born. Lumbini. And place 5. Next place 5. 5 is where? In the, it is the in Maharashtra. Nashik. 5, 6. Yes, 6. 6 is where? Now the 6 Bharahut. 6 is the Bharahut. 7, you can recognize it. 7 in Bihar associated with the Gautam Buddha. Yes, Bodh Gaya. And then after let's come to the 8, position 8. Position 8. Where is Shravasti? This was asked. This map has been. This point has been asked in this last examination. Shravasti was asked. This place was asked in the board examination. Where is Shravasti? 8 is the Shravasti, and then after comes to the 9. Very important place. The 9. Where in Maharashtra? Which is the place? Ajanta. Ajanta in Maharashtra. The first of all, students, you all should recognize what the state. First, any places is given. The first you should recognize or try to understand the place. Recognize to understand the state. Which state? And then after, first of all these important places you should now recognize very well. And next is here, students, another map I will now try to get understand with you. Yes, here very carefully, and first let's see. Yes, you are looking at A1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the related with the territories under the Babur, Akbar and Aurangzeb. Now the medieval India, from medieval India, you have to be the point these places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Understand? And these territories were under the Babur, Akbar and Aurangzeb. Understand? So now students, 1.1. Understand? At the point 1, which place is that? Very you can easily understand. Yes, Delhi. And point 2. Yes, point 2, Agra. It is a very clear. Point 3. Yes, it is in which state? It is in Haryana. The place is very important in the medieval period. Yes, this point is Haryana. Panipat. 3 battles were fought. First battle, Babur, Ibrahim Lodi. Second battle, Akbar and the Hemu. Third battle, Ahmad Shah Abdali and the Marathas. 3 prominent battles which that decided the fate of the India and the fate of the rulers in India. Understand? So now here this is the Panipat. First, because it is the situated where? This is situated in the Haryana. Understand? And the next comes to the, recognize the place 4. Yes, where this is the in the Rajasthan. Place 4. This is the Amber and place. This is the yes, 4 Amber. This is Amber and 5. Place 5. Place 5. Ajmer. Then come to the place 6. Where is 6? Yes, the 6 is now. This is the out of border of our country and the very important in medieval period. Lahore. This is the in Lahore. And the 7. Come to the 7. which you can recognize this very well or very easily. This is the Goa. Understand? This is the Goa. Now, students, you can understand that this kind of the map will be the asked, and you have to be the four set. Four set will be the given to you, or those set according to that you have to be the recognized those sets well. Understand? Now next another places. Now from the modern India places, the modern India incidents will be the not asked here, because we are going to cover only the medieval and the ancient and medieval. So now you have to prepare the places and the location from the ancient Indians or the medieval India. Understand? The two map will be associated with the ancient places, ancient sites, or as well as the places in the modern at the medieval India. Understand? So in this way, I suppose that you can understand well, or the mark the 5 marks as viewers. This is the very important, or 6 marks in the annual exam, that will be the given in 6. Understand? So here we have the only 5 given, or actually in the board the 6 places are given. At the last year 6 places were given, 3 for the location and 3 for the recognition, identification. Understand? The students, today I suppose that you would have been the understand very well. And next I am I will just give you the another place from the medieval India. We shall discuss medieval India and the ancient India. Next, let's see. But the modern India we have to not discuss. Okay, modern India I will discuss the later on. Later on, that will be the places like in the modern India. Just you have to be the recognized like the Punjab, Sindh, Bombay, Madras, Fort Saint David, Machilipatnam, Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Awadh, Surat, Kalikata, Dhaka, Chittagong, Patna, Banaras, or the Allahabad, Lucknow, or the Berar. These are the related with the modern India places, and the other modern India places also: Delhi, Meerut, Jhansi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Azamgarh, Kolkata, Benares, or the Jabalpur. And another in the modern India you should recognize all the places: Champaran, Kheda, Ahmedabad, Banaras, Amritsar, Chauri Chaura, Lahore, Bardoli, Dandi, Bombay, or the Karachi. These are the places. And in medieval India, you should recognize the more places also. Now the more places you should, or the now we should learn the Bidar. Okay, in southern India, now in the Deccan area, you should now recognize the or identify these places of the Bidar, Golconda, Bidar, Bijapur, Vijayanagar. Their places and location you should now in the map, in the NCERT books, which has been given in the map, and take the outline of the India and map of the India, or try to and practice over that. Understand? Or Vijayanagar, Chandragiri, Kanchipuram, Mysore, Thanjavur, Kolar, Tirunelveli, and the Hero. Understand? So these all places you have to be the recognized in the your play in other in the map you can indicate or the learn to read. Location must be the very important is there, or in the ancient India. Okay, now the kingdoms also should be the identified, like the kingdom Kushana, Shaka, Shatwana, Vakatakas or Guptas. Cities like the Mathura, Kannauj, Puhar, Bharukach, Sravasti. Sravasti was asked in last question, last exam in the board. Sravasti was asked. Understand? So Sravasti, Rajgir, Vaishali, Varanasi, or Vidisha. And now the other places like the you should in the ancient India. Now the Girnar, Shokara, Sonati, Kalsi, now Sisupalgarh, or the Sanchi, Topra, Meerut, Kosambi, or now the Cholas, Kerala Putras, or the Pandyas about their state. Understand, students? Ancient or medieval India जो important locations हैं आप और I suppose that you would have understand the mode of examination, किस तरह का पेपर रहेगा. Map will be the given or map on the point 1, point and 1, point and 2, 3. Understand? And the location in the set, one option is correct. So you have to be the identify or pick the one option, correct option. Okay, 3 options are wrong, 1 option is correct. So आपको you have to be the choose the right option. Understand? Or in this way keep your eyes, because to get the 100% marks, all map must be the correct, all points. Identification is the must. Understand? Objective questions or the map. Two works is the very important for getting the 100% marks during the 100% in the examination. Okay, the students, I suppose that time. So students, now I suppose you would have understand well in the map, or this kind of the map you have to be the now prepare, or that will not be the difficult. Okay, the outline of the map आप ले लीजिए. You take the blank map. Understand? Blank map take, and then after, understand, you try to identify. Once go through the location's name and the sites, understand where the situation. First try to recognize the state. Understand? So state आप पहले first of all if you recognize, so that will be, then after within the state where the location is in the east, west, whether north, yes, south, or the central. That should be the very important to recognize. Whether this state first recognize this place is situated in the Maharashtra, whether in the West Maharashtra, in the seashore, or whether in the south, whether in north. Understand? So then after you have to recognize. The first step you try to understand and you learn, or you recognize, identify these places, or try to locate them. 5 marks is the very important for you. At the one set you can get the 5 marks only by the setting the right, identify the right. So this is very easy for you. Through the very easy process you can get the 5 marks. Understand? Or Students, now I suppose that the map work you would have done, you will done. Okay, that's okay. Next period, I will start the Mughal court. I am teaching now, in the process of teaching, and you should attend the class because every lecture is very important to understand the subject and understand the theme of the subject. Understand?